Get in here, get in here. Y'all, it's Friday. It's Friday, and I'm excited. Only thing would have made it better if I got paid. You know I'm excited to be showing you all my edges. Lord Jesus. But anyway, today we are going to do summarization. We're going to use somebody wanted, but so, and then. Also, guys, you're in for a treat because that old Miss Williams and we're going to team teach for second period. So I'm going to tell you this. Lace up. Get ready for some fun edutainment. All right? We're going to educate and entertain at the same time. Next thing, last thing, guys, some of y'all thought I was a play pretty, a doll. You thought I was going to be somebody to play with. I ain't going to call your name TC, did all them assignments with 20s and 40s. Really? If that's what you want to do, baby, 8th grade is offered every year. Now, the 9 weeks ends today. Guys, I gave you enough time to complete your assignments. I'm still going to be true to my calling as an educator. If you want to turn anything in, you need to get it in today. I'm not going to be working over the weekend trying to grade your papers and put in grades. When you leave today, I leave today. Whatever you have in, that's your grade. I love you, and you'll do it again next year or next semester, next 9 weeks. Because you got to step it up and finish strong. And one more thing. I still want to give you extra credit. So I'm going to record a story and put it in Google Classroom. And I want you to use SWBST to summarize this fight between Miss Williams and I. She don't know about it, but we're going to teach her today. All right? Love y'all.